Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use split screen multitasking on Windows 11. To begin with, check whether the snap layout is active. To do that, open the settings and click on System. Next, select Multitasking. You will see an option called Snap Windows. Make sure its toggle is switched to On. Now, whenever you want to use the split screen on Windows 11, open the application you wish to and hover the mouse over the Maximize button. It will reveal Snap Layout options. There are several layout options such as 2, 3 or 4 applications at once. For instance, select the 2 panel option and position the current application will split the screen into 2 parts and move the current window to the chosen place. The other side will fill with other open windows. Click on the application you want to fill that space. Similarly, selecting the 3 or 4 panel layout will put your current window into the space you select and prompt you to choose other active windows to fill the remaining spots. You can change the windowed application's position manually by clicking and holding the menu bar on them and moving them to the desired position. That's it for this video on how to use split screen multitasking on Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks videos.